How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can verify Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to verify Bitcoin on Cash App, maybe that you just want to actually enable withdrawals and deposits for Bitcoins. And to do this, you have to verify your Cash App account. And to do that, just go ahead and then make sure to launch Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just complete the home tab here. Currently, you can find this option called Bitcoin, so I just need to tap on it and tap on Get Started. If you want to actually verify Bitcoin, whenever you're trying to purchase Bitcoin, it will ask you for a pop-up as to whether or not you would like to verify your identity. To prove this to you, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin, and then I'll just tap the buy Bitcoin option. I'll select the dollars worth of Bitcoin I want to buy, and I'll tap the next option. After this, what it'll ask me is to simply verify my identity. Now, in case it doesn't help you with that, there's also another way you can verify your identity on Cash App. Come to the home page, then tap the profile icon from the top right of the screen. Just scroll down to the security and privacy section. Here you'll find identity verification. Tap on verify, follow the on-screen instructions to upload your ID and so on. After that, your Cash App will be verified, and then you can enable Bitcoin withdrawals and transactions. This way you can verify your ID on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.